24 hours after a phenomenal NDA victory, what really is the mood in the opposition? Remember, Bihar's opposition is fractured and diminished like never before. The Mahagathbandhan, once seen as the beacon against the NDA, has split wide open. In this election, the NDA stormed to an overwhelming victory, winning 202 out of 243 seats. The BJP alone secured 89 seats with a 20.8% vote share, while Nitish Kumar's JDU took 85 seats, capturing 19.25% of the votes. In stark contrast, the Mahagathbandhan's RJD won just 25 seats despite leading in vote share with 23%. The Congress suffered one of its worst showings in Bihar's history, only 6 seats and a mere 8.7% of the vote. The alliance's internal fractures, misreading of Bihar's evolving electorate, and failure to present a united front have left it at its lowest point in 15 years. Bihar's political landscape has changed. The question is, can the opposition ever rebuild from these ruins, or has the state decisively moved on?
वोट चोरी हो रही है। 25 लाख वोट चोरी हुए हैं, 8 में से 1 वोट चोरी हुआ है। मोदी जी, अमित शाह जी और ज्ञानेश जी जॉइंटली पार्टनरशिप बना के कर रहे हैं।
नरेंद्र मोदी, नरेंद्र मोदी, नरेंद्र मोदी।
Haryana, Maharashtra and now Bihar.
मोदी।
Same rhetoric after every poll.
वोट चोरी हुए हैं।
It is becoming easier to predict what the grand old party will say after polls if they go south for the party. The answer is vote chori. Bihar on Friday gave a thumping majority to NDA, with Alliance scoring 200 plus in 243 assembly and restricted Mahagathbandhan to just 35. With Congress winning only 6 of 61 seats it contested. To the surprise of few, Rahul Gandhi pinned the blame on the Election Commission and called the verdict shocking. Rahul Gandhi, in a post on X, claimed that the Bihar polls were not fair from the very start and asserted that Congress and India Bloc will intensify their fight to save democracy. His lieutenants echoed the same.
The process of electioneering is completely questionable. This is not, we are talking about this process of electioneering. Election Commission is totally one-sided. Whatever they are doing, there is no transparency at all.
Prime Minister Modi came down heavily on Congress and called it a liability and parasite.
मैंने कहा था कि कांग्रेस एक लायबिलिटी है। कांग्रेस एक ऐसी परजीवी है जो अपने सहयोगियों के वोट बैंक को निगलकर अपनी वापसी करना चाहती है।
Not just that, Prime Minister further predicted a split in Congress.
ये जो कांग्रेस के नामदार हैं, ये जिस रास्ते पर कांग्रेस को लेकर चल रहे हैं, इसके प्रति घोर निराशा, घोर नाराजगी अंदर ही अंदर पनप रही है। और मुझे तो आशंका है, हो सकता है कि आगे कांग्रेस का एक और बड़ा विभाजन हो।
Even Congress' own allies are now holding up a mirror to the grand old party.
कांग्रेस की वजह से सहयोगियों को भी नुकसान उठाना पड़ता है। आज आरजेडी की आप हालत देख लीजिए, आप अखिलेश जी की देख लीजिए, हमारे यहाँ महाराष्ट्र में शरद पवार जी की पार्टी और हमारी पार्टी शिवसेना का देख लीजिए। जहाँ जहाँ कांग्रेस से हमको ज़्यादा उम्मीदें होती हैं, वहाँ हम निराश होते हैं। कांग्रेस को बहुत बड़े एक परिश्रम की आवश्यकता है। कांग्रेस को अपने अनुशासन को आगे बढ़ाने की आवश्यकता है।
It is evident by now to everyone except Congress that vote chori is not resonating with voters and that it is not sufficient to take on BJP juggernaut. With key states going to polls next year, all eyes are now on Congress, Will the party change its focus or will it continue to follow the same path? With Suyesha Sawant in Patna, Bureau Report, India Today.